Hello students, today I am going to explain you this English literature chapter, The Hidden Gift. It was Meenal's birthday. All her friends came to her house for a party. So there is a birthday party scene of Meenal, where at her house. They gathered around the dining table. Who gathered around the dining table? Her friends. They were invited now. There was a cake on the table. Happy birthday, Meenal was written on the cake. There were 7 candles too. So as a birthday party used to be, there was a cake on the dining table. What was written on the cake? Happy birthday. And how many candles were there on the cake? There were 7 candles. Why? Because Meenal was turning 7. Meenal blew out the candles and cut the cake. Everyone clapped and sang happy birthday for Meenal. The children romped around. Romped means in a joy mood or playful, as children remains in playful mood and they move, jumping and making noise. So they were moving like that around the house and they played games happily. Merrily means happily. There were colorful balloons hanging everywhere. So it was a typical birthday party as a birthday party used to be. Meenal's mother had arranged for a treasure hunt in the garden. Treasure means something valuable. So there was something valuable or a gift is hidden in the garden of Meenal. Who has arranged this game? Meenal's mother. Okay, the game was treasure hunt. Hunt means something to search or something to be find out. So one gift or in a parcel means a covered box. Okay, it was hidden in the garden by Meenal's mother and the children were supposed to search it. Okay, after she gave the signal, all the children ran out to look for the parcel that Meenal's mother had hidden. So what was the treasure hunt game which Meenal's mother has arranged? That Meenal's mother had hidden a parcel, a gift in the garden somewhere and children were supposed to find it. The one who will find that parcel gift, he will win that parcel gift then. Okay, so all the children went to search for the hidden gift. They looked between the flower beds, as it was the garden where all the children were searching for the treasure, means for that parcel, that gift. So they all were looking between the flowers or under the bushes and in the garden, and they also looked in the branches of trees. I have found it, screamed Vinod excitedly. He tried to lift the parcel, but it was very heavy. So Vinod had found a parcel. And that parcel was quite heavy. So it was difficult for him to lift it. I have found it, shouted Rita at the same time from behind the bushes. Now here it was the surprise note or shocking note to all. Why? Because Meenal's mother had only hidden one parcel gift. Okay, but 2 children have found different parcels, means there were 2 parcels found by one by Vinod and another by Rita. So everyone was puzzled. Puzzled means confused. Meenal's mother was surprised too. She had hidden only one parcel. That's why everyone was confused, because Meenal's mother had hidden only one parcel, but there were 2. How could two children find different parcels? Okay, Meenal's mother had hidden only one parcel, so how could two parcels be found? She saw that Vinod was making an effort to carry the parcel. The parcel she had hidden had only a little storybook full of pictures. It was not heavy. The parcel, the gift which Meenal's mother had wrapped, it was a storybook full of pictures, and it was not weighted, it was not heavy. But the parcel which Vinod had found, that was quite heavy. So it means that the parcel which Vinod had found was not the same which was hidden by Meenal's mother. It was something else. She carried the parcel easily. Meenal's mother knew that Rita carried the parcel easily. Meenal's mother knew that Rita had the parcel with the storybook. Meenal's mother was sure that Rita had found the same parcel which she has hidden, because Rita was able to carry the parcel easily, and it was the storybook, so it was not heavy. They all went into the hall. Meenal's mother asked Vinod and Rita to open their parcels. Rita opened it quickly. There was a little green book with golden edges. So there was a little green book inside the parcel which was planned by Meenal's mother, but and who found the Meenal's mother parcel? Rita have found it. But what was inside the parcel of Vinod? Vinod opened his parcel. There were 2 shining gold bars in it. 2 shining gold bars, very expensive. Everyone stared at the golden bars in shock. Everybody was so shocked to see that inside the parcel of Vinod there were 2 gold bars. Just then 2 policemen walked in. As they came in, they saw the gold bars in Vinod's hand. They were happy to see them, because policemen were in search of the gold bars, because it was stolen. Yes, it was stolen by a thief, and that thief had hidden the parcel of 2 gold bars in the garden of Meenal. Now policemen have found the gold bars in Vinod's hand, so they were happy. Why they were happy? Because they got their problem. The policeman has got the case solved, as they found the gold bars parcel. The policeman had caught a thief hiding behind their house. Whose house? Meenal's house. He had stolen gold bars from a jeweler's shop. Then he had hidden them in the garden of this house. He had planned to take them later when no one was looking for him. Okay, so the plan of the thief was that he hid the parcel of 2 gold bars in the garden of Meenal's house, and he himself hid behind their house, and he thought that once nobody will search for him, he will then pick the 2 gold bars parcel and will vanish away. Vinod's mother explained that Vinod found the gold bars while playing a game of treasure hunt, because Vinod was not the culprit. No, he was not the thief. He was simply playing the game of treasure hunt, and in that in search of the parcel which was hidden by Meenal's mother, he found that 2 gold bars. Vinod gave the gold bars to the policeman. They patted Vinod's back. Patted means when someone hit the back with a flat hand, okay, like to praise the work of Vinod, okay, because Vinod had solved their problem by finding the parcel of 2 gold bars and thanked him. Policemen have thanked Vinod. All the children cheered for Vinod. Okay, it was a special birthday party. The children had an enjoyable time and helped the police too. So that's all about this chapter. Okay? Thank you.